Well, before we talk about exactly how to 3D print, I want to give an overview of the entire process so that you can see what's going to happen. You're knowing what step we're on, and then you'll know what terms I'm using and what terms are coming up. So everything I design with students is designed in Tinkercad, and from within Tinkercad, I will show you how to export an STL file. STL files are solids, where inside of that solid, you have all the information that comes with that model. So the STL file goes into a program called Cura. Tinkercad and Cura are both free to use. And what Cura does is it slices up that solid and it makes it into layers. So if this were a cube, the bottom layer would be a box. The second layer would be another box. The third layer would be another box. The fourth layer would be a square with the infill, because it's not gonna print it solid. It's probably going to be hollow on the inside, and so then you can set how you want that to be filled. The slice, all of these slices put together, is called a G code. A G code file. So we get an STL file from Tinkercad. We put it in Cura. From Cura, we get a G code file that's made just for your 3D printer. We put that G code into your 3D printer, and then that knows how to print. So STL files give you just the solid. G code files have that same information, except now it's in layers that are set just for your specific printer. So the G code tells your printer exactly what to do.